Hello, everyone. I am Mia Johnson. I want to welcome you to Real Estate Finance. This course offers you an overview of monetary systems and money markets. You will review sources of mortgage loans and federal government programs. You will understand loan qualification applications, processes, procedures, and closing costs. You will learn how laws affect mortgage lending. Topics for this course includes the real estate finance cycle, money, the monetary system and government influence, source of funds and finance programs, loan processing and documentation, as well as defaults and foreclosures. I set this course up where each section builds on the next. You can access tools to guide you through the course, like the syllabus and course calendar, as well as quizzes. Course assignments are primarily self-paced, with the exception of a few things that are noted in the syllabus. When logged into the course, you will see there are a few tasks due after the course starts. All quizzes, including the final exam, are due no later than 11:59 p.m. the last night of the course. Inside the course, you will see links to my YouTube video playlist. You will see requirements for the Texas Real Estate Commission licensing. You will also see Dallas College requirements to earn a real estate college certificate or real estate college degree. Best practice to successfully complete assignments is to read the syllabus and calendar, complete lessons and quizzes weekly, and use the answer keys in all course materials for quizzes. I am a licensed Texas real estate broker and realtor. I am here to help you with your courses as well as after you complete them. While not required, you can subscribe to my video playlist to receive notices when I add new videos. Whether taking this course online or in person, always feel free to contact me with questions. I look forward to working with you. Good luck.